Twig and Pik-pik having fun, taking down bad guys one by one. Twig and Pik-pik are never done. Twig, Pik-pik, Twig and Pik-pik. Twig, Pik-pik, Blossom, Edge, Violet, Sunny, Thorn, Steve, Jazz, and the evil King Ricky. Twig and Pik-pik having fun, taking down bad guys one by one. Twig and Pik-pik are never done. Twig, Pik-pik, Twig and Pik-pik.
And then I said, no, you can't have the noodles. But he just took them anyway. Yeah. Well, it just goes to show you, you can never really trust an accountant. You're right, yeah. What's going on over here? Hey, Pik-pik? What's going on?
Sunny's going crazy. She's gonna turn into a crazy cat lady and she's gonna eat emotional dinosaurs.
Alrighty then. Well, I'll talk to her. Step aside, fire elemental. Sunny, you need to move on cause I'm Edge, y'all. Well, that wasn't very helpful. She almost sounds constipated.
I'm gonna sing you a song. Here I go.
This is a very emotional song starring me, Pik-pik. There is a dinosaur in my neighborhood, emotional dinosaur. Peanut butter.
Oh, Pik-pik, your beautiful singing just made me worse. What?
All I have left of Thorn is this picture.
Okay, Sunny, it's time to get rid of the picture. No! Sunny! And I'm gonna get rid of this picture and hide it somewhere. What about this pit of fire? What are you using this for? I'm cutting myself and putting into the fire. No, okay, you know what? No. We're getting rid. This is a fire hazard. Sunny. Sunny. Come on. You gotta just be cool and move on. No! Ah! Twig. I hate you. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, this is getting nowhere. Edge, let's just finish our conversation. Oh, camera, what the? No one understands what I go through. I'm gonna go for a walk. On the stove. Blood sacrifices? What? I just want to go kill myself. Then I'm gonna go to the 6 trials and spend every day with Thorn. That's weird. It's a little bit weird. Guys, my tags are really long. Yeah, we know. That girl over there. Do you think she has anything on her? Maybe she has Maybe some money, maybe a passport. I don't know. Let's go. Sorry, I just laughed out of nowhere. Let's go. Wow! We're gonna mug you. My takes are really long. Mug me? Why would you want to mug me? I have no pockets. I'm literally not wearing any clothes. There's nothing on me for you to even mug. Well, now I feel like an idiot. You guys told me that it would be a good idea. My tags are really long, and I'm a bird. Yeah. You are horrible at being bad guys. Well, we're gonna steal something from you. Well, you know, I do have this little tiny pocket, but it just says Pikmin on it. So, there's nothing we can do. No, there isn't. Why'd you even tell me that? We're trying to be evil villains, masterminds. Sorry for punching you in the face with my ear, but we can't be because, well, that's a horrible plan. Maybe it's your fault. No, why would it be my fault? It's all your fault, guys. Guys, I have a plan. Does it involve your tags being really long? No. My plan is that we, yes, lick her. Whatever. We're gonna kidnap you. Kidnap? Oh no. God, is there anyone? Can anyone save me? Henchman, where'd you go? Henchman, and who are you? Yeah, I'm Edge. Yeah. Thanks, Edge. Me and Pik-pik and Edge, we were about to go to the store. Pik-pik wanted some peanut butter. Yeah, and we saw you, and we decided to save you because these guys are idiots. Okay, your Christmas plan was stupid. Oh, whatever. Anyway, you're safe now. Thanks, guys. I had no idea what was gonna happen. I was scared that they were gonna lick me. Let's just go home. You know, guys, I have to say that even though Thorn is gone, and it makes me want to kill myself and kill you, Twig, for some reason, I feel happy that I have friends. You know, like, before, when we were, before we even knew Thorn, we spent, so much time just as friends. It was amazing. And I was Edge, y'all. Oh! That didn't really go as planned. Yeah. I still hate you. I forget, why does she hate me? You know, guys, I'm gonna treat you guys to some dinner, because I haven't cooked for you guys in a long time, and it's kind of my, thing. Yeah. I'm gonna go do that. Alright, yeah. Yep, it's gonna go stir. Oh, holy crap! Oh, hey, Cheep. Hey. So, yeah, this is my friend, LSP. We're just, here because, I want to talk to you, man. Alright, what's up? I'm kind of sorry for being, such a jerk to you. We were sort of friends when we were kids, and ever since I became, Christian, I kind of got, I realized I was being a bit of a jerk, and so I just want to make it up to you and all your Pikmin friends. Wow. Never expected to hear that out of you. Yeah, I'm just really sorry about everything. So, we could make it up somehow. What do you mean? Like, I don't know. We could hang out sometime. Become bros. Yeah. Alright. Yeah, we can do that. Yeah. Huh. Remember when I stabbed you with my nose? For the last time, Twig, bears don't exist. What about that bear? That's not a bear, Twig. It's called a big dog. Hey, are you a bear? Yeah, why? Look, it doesn't matter if bears exist or not. We're here for another reason. You will have plenty of duties when you're king. Well, of course, if you do become king. Which is highly improbable because, first of all, I have to be retired, and second of all, you have to be married into the royal family. And the chances of that happening are like 1,000,000 to 1. But I'm still required to teach you anyway because, well, that's just the law. Anyway, I'm gonna show you the rest of the castle. Lazovic? Why are you here? Hello, brother. I'm here for what I want, and you know what it is. Lazovic, I haven't seen you in years. It's been too long, brother. Lazovic, we are no longer brothers. You led an entire rebellion against me. Why in the world would I call you brother? How did you even get here? Look, Tokanuva, I don't care for your problems. I'm only here for what's rightfully mine. And what is that? Your kingdom. What are you talking about? I forgot how dumb you can be sometimes. I want your kingdom, as in the brother room. I deserve the king title. Well, why don't you just take it? I'm not part of the brother room anymore. I'm the king of this place now. That's not the rules of the brother room. You created the rules. If you remembered, then you would know that the rules simply state the only way of becoming king is if the person that wants to become king defeats the king in battle. Oh yeah. If I defeat you, then I'm able to get the title. Alright. Bring it on, Lazovic. I dare you. As I thought, you've grown weak. Because you've been ruling your puny country of stuffed animals. Ow. Well... Well, look, I haven't been inside the arena for very long and stuff, and so, yeah. Well then, this should be easy. Wait, stop! No tongue! What? I slice his arm off. Oh, thanks, Twig. You saved my life. Well, if that's the way you're gonna play it, then... How about, instead of battling you, I battle your worthless knight over there. If I defeat him, then I get his title. Whatever it may be. I don't know what it is at all. I don't know that he's... like, has royalty and stuff. It's a battle to the death. Alright, let's do it. What? What? No, I didn't agree to this. Come on, Twig, you're awesome. Come. Twig. Well, I guess it's just you and me. That sword you have. It's bends no tongue. Crafted out of lord armor, I have to say. You're pretty good to be able to get the sword off of Ben. Alrighty then. I'm gonna tell you right now, Twig, the battle is lost. Oh, really? But you don't know what... For a stuffed animal, you'd make a pretty good... gladiator. But no one's ever bested me. Don't worry, Twig. I won't kill you. I have no need to be a member of the royal family of this worthless wasteland, run by democracy and rights and freedom. It's all worthless. I came here because of those things. The land I used to rule was overcome by evil. Takanuva, I really have nowhere to stay. I literally just got to this place. Is it possible if I could, like, stay at, I don't know, the room inside your castle? I guess. But only for one night. Then you have to go find somewhere else. Come on, Twig, we gotta go do the rest. Don't hurt anyone, Lazovic. I know. I won't let him. Look, he'll probably die before I retire, so the chances of him becoming king are very, very low. Come on, let's just go to bed. I just gotta take my ears off. Very nice. Why must Takanuva work me so hard? I don't like having to learn like 30 rules about the kingdom per day. It would be kind of cool to rule something. What was that? Lazovic? What is Lazovic doing in the royal chambers? All you need to rule a kingdom is a silly pair of ears. You're so dumb. Oh yeah? You're so dumb, you poop. What? Justice. But why was he trying to steal the ears? Hey, what's all that ruckus? We're trying to nap up here. Sorry for being up here. Yeah, you're not allowed to be up here. This is like the royal chambers. It's just that Lazovic was trying to steal your ears. He was? Why? I don't know, but he wanted to. Oh, well, I'm gonna go talk to him. Lazovic, why were you trying to steal my ears? I don't know, brother. Just that you have such a fabulous kingdom. The brother room really does stink. You got, like, loyal knights that risk their lives just for anything. And then I hear that, like, Matoro comes here, too. Oh. Well, what do you have to say for yourself? I'm sorry I tried to steal your bunny ears. That's right, and I'm gonna go back to nap before Easter freaks out. Hey, in order for you to actually come into this room, didn't you have to do the 6 trials? Yeah. Did you meet a Pikmin there? Yeah. The Pikmin kept on telling me that He just said to me, kill me quick. Oh, I feel so bad for him. Do you know him? Yeah. Yeah, I know him. Oh, well. Yeah. Anyway, I have to, like, get going now, because stuff and things and stuff. Ah! Batman! Yeah.
Twig and Pik-pik, Twig and Pik-pik, Twig and Pik-pik, Twig and Pik-pik.